Hi everyone, welcome to my third and maybe last Shakepay video app. This is also the first video of 2024, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're interested. But what I'm going to be doing is just going over my 1,000 days with Shakepay. I've been using it for 1,000 days and I'll show you. If you look at the screen, you'll see at the top right, there's a number 999. It's going to soon be 1,000 and I want to record it. I only can do this with one take. I can't redo it. So here goes. If you open an account with Shakepay, and you use a referral code, which I'll leave, you can shake the app every day. You open the app, you shake it. I know it doesn't make sense, but you'll get Bitcoin, you'll get Satoshis, you'll pretty much get money. And I'll show you. So it says 999. I haven't broken it. I've opened the app and I've shaken it every day and I'm going to do it live. And I'm going to send a screenshot to Shakepay on Twitter just to see if they're interested. So here goes. So I have the app. I'm going to shake it. And then you're going to see on the screen 1,000 day streak. I'm going to take a screenshot and you see how many Satoshis I've had. So it says 1,000 plus 1,000 sats, 938,000 in total. Let me just close this. Oh, I'm so excited. Now it says 1,000 on the top. And if you see where it says Bitcoin, I have $570. That was purely from shaking. I get that money just from shaking. I don't get it from anything else. The Ethereum you see at the bottom, that's purely from referrals. And I'll just show you why I like this app. I kind of have an agenda here because I can't, I'm not good at talking without a script or a plan. I even wrote it here. I'm going to talk about shaking every day for the money. Next up was about referrals. So you used to get $30 for every referral, but now it's $5. So I'll show you. If you go refer a friend, you see here where it says invite your friends and we'll send you each $5 when your friend buys $100 worth of crypto. And see at the bottom, I have 108 people activated. 71 people have signed up, but they haven't activated yet. So they haven't bought $100 worth of crypto, but I've made $2,345 in just referral rewards. And it's pretty good. And next up, I want to talk about the Shakepay card. So now you can pay for certain purchases like coffee or groceries if you want, and you'll get 2% on the first $5,000. So 2% cash back. And then anything after that, you'll get 1%, which is pretty good. And the reason why I guess the reason why I like this is that it focuses mainly on my two favorite types of crypto, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let me go back to my A-Power app. So you're only allowed to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. You're not allowed to do anything else. And you see I have cash also at the top. So the $75 cash balance I just used to buy coffee with. And every day when I buy coffee, I'll get a little bit back. So it's just 1%. It's not much, but it's better than zero. And this is kind of like the Canadian version of the Cash app. In America, you can like Venmo, you can send people Cash App money, or just like, it doesn't have to be Bitcoin on this. It can be cash itself. I don't think Venmo or Cash App work in Canada, so this is the closest thing we have. It is also my favorite in terms of crypto because they have no withdrawal fees. One of the cons, they have a high spread. So how they make money, if you're wondering, it's like, how are they able to give all this away? They have a high spread. So it's around 3%. So they pretty much set the price to buy and sell the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it is a little high. I think Newton, which is the second best Canadian crypto app, in my opinion, the spread is 0.5%. But then they only cover, I think, the first $5 of your gas or mining fees. And let me show you what I mean. So if we click here, the Interact transfer fees, you know what? Let me go back a little bit. This is what happens when I don't have a script. There's 3 ways to put money into your Shakepay app. You can do an Interact e-transfer, which I did at the beginning. You can wire large amounts, or you can send in crypto. And then if you want to send money out, you have the same 3 options. You can withdraw via Interact e-transfer. I believe the max amount is $10,000. You can wire, which could take a few days. Shakepay will cover their portion of the wire fee, but then your bank might have a wire fee itself. So I think TD Bank, which is what I use, has a $17 wire fee. So that might be a little bit of a difference there. But if you see here, the fees, it's free. And you see the approximate time it takes to come in. So if we have even outgoing, if you want to transfer out, everything is free. Minor fees are covered by Shakepay. If you go to Ethereum, the gas fees are covered by Shakepay. They do have a minimum withdrawal, like you can't withdraw a penny and cause them to lose like the $10 or $15. So they cover this for you. And then the only downside is if you buy crypto on it, they have a high spread, which is 3%. So if you're transferring in and out a lot, it might be best for you to use Shakepay over Newton, which I think they only cover $10. So if you transfer a lot, it would certainly add up. So the most important thing I wanted to show, I just wanted to show the shaking to $1,000. I've been planning this video since day 500. So the next 500 days, I was making sure to sign up, to open the app even when I was on vacation, and to shake it. Let me see what's next I had on the agenda. High spread, 3% cons, KYC. Okay, so this is not, the whole purpose of Bitcoin is decentralized finance. It's not DeFi. So you do have to do the KYC, which is know your client, and they will report to the CRA, to the government. You have to pay taxes on any gains you make on this. Not the end of the world. You can always just use this for your normal day-to-day purchases if you'd like. But I do highly recommend this to everyone, not just for the referral code. I get it, but just because I've had a great viewing experience and user experience overall. When I sent them a picture that I had, I think 500 days, they sent me like a little Shakepay little pill, because I'm blue pilled apparently, which is pretty cool. But I just wanted to make a video that had a good experience overall. If you want to send money in or out, they do give you an Interac e-transfer amount. So you see here at the top, you see send or add. When you add in, these are the 3 ways you can add money. I don't have direct deposit. I just usually do e-transfer. I've e-transferred and had the money within 3 minutes, which is pretty good. Wire, anything above $10,000, you probably do a wire. I wouldn't send that much money into this, but e-transfer, start funding your account. I don't know why it's showing this, because I've already done this a bunch of times. I probably didn't click don't show this again, but let me do this. Staying safe. Great. So they give you the security question, the answer, and the account to transfer to. I'm obviously going to blur this because this is personal. This is to myself. And another thing that's interesting, I have to blur their names as well. So all my friends that have Shakepay as well, if you click on the little money sign in the bottom right, you can start sending to your friends if you have their Shakepay, if their tag, I guess. So you could start sending money. As a joke, I just sent $5 to my friend, and I told him not to spend it all in one shop. But it's just nice to be able to pay with something, or just something, send pretty quickly. All you need is their Shakepay tag. Is there anything else I want to show? It's pretty simple to buy or sell Bitcoin. See top right, you can buy the top. So if you click down, you can go into Ethereum if you'd like. So let's just focus on buy Bitcoin. Right now it's buying, and I could choose sell if I'd like. I could sell the max amount that I have, which is around. So did you see at the beginning where I had around $570, and here where it's saying 562? So that's probably the spread that Shakepay would take. It's not the best. If you're doing a lot of trades, Shakepay isn't the best. If you're transferring in and out a lot, it probably would be. If you're looking for more day trading, I'll try to find something more DeFi related. Is there anything else I want to show? Shakepay, there's my card, cash to spend, Bitcoin rewards 2%. I can round up. Oh, also you have a Shake Squad. So I'm going to blur out their names as well. So a Shake Squad, you can add up to 5 people in a Shake Squad total. You basically add their tag, their Shake tag. And then every time someone uses their card, each member of the squad gets 42 sats or satoshis. It's not a lot, but it can add up over time. So if you look at my squad's sats stat, 279,000. So if we add that up, 279,000. So I've made $155 just from my squad using their own card. This seems like it's too good to be true. It's pretty much, I know nothing's free. I'm saying it's free money, but I'm getting a little bonus on the side just for using this app. Is there anything else I want to show you? Not really. I'm kind of scrolling through their just website. You can get set up in minutes. I've been using it for 1,000 days. I really like it. I'm going to go back. I just want to show this. I'm just like so happy I was finally able to get this. So this is the video I planned. Right now it's December 31st. Hope everyone has a good New Year's. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and tune in to the next one.